Project has 3 components. Component 1 deals with institutional strengthening and capacity building in renewable energy efficiency. Component 2 deals with supporting the legal and regulatory framework that will facilitate an uptake of renewable energy interventions. Component 3 deals with the investments in renewable energy and energy efficiency at the targeted health facilities. Project installed grid-tied solar PV system at 3 of the health facilities: Maypen, National Chest, and Sir John Golden Health Facility. We also installed over 5,000 LED lighting solutions at all 6 targeted health facilities.
The impact we expect to gain is the reduction in our electricity bill. That is one of the cost drivers for us. We have been tracking since the installation was completed. And since we were told, so we have started to track and we'll continue to monitor because we expect saving in that area.
We have seen significant gain in terms of 850 megawatt saving per year at an estimated cost of about $40 million. Over the next 3 years, it allows for the contractor to carry out maintenance, and this will be done alongside our internal persons that will allow for capacity building for them to continue this work. We'll be able to monitor our consumption, and this would be done technologically, where operators will be able to monitor it on their cell phone. So to a large extent, this is a very impacting project, and we hope to be able to expand these to other facilities for us to help to see a change in terms of our energy consumption in health facilities.